Have you noticed some enamel pins have welded posts while others use riveted posts? What's the difference? Die-struck pins have a completely flat back, which makes them unsuitable for riveting. Instead, they use high-temperature welded posts, which work well with materials like brass, copper, iron. Advantages: works with a wide range of metals, back remains completely flat. Limitations: may loosen under uneven force, not suitable for heat-sensitive materials. Die-cast pins, usually made from zinc alloys, have recessed areas on the back, making them ideal for riveted posts. Advantages: strong and durable, great for high-volume production. Limitations: slight bumps on the reverse side, only suitable for backs with recessed areas. In summary, die-struck brass or iron pins choose welded posts. Zinc alloy die-cast pins choose riveted posts.